I made a card today with a great layout that I used the other day, and I promised you that I would make a different card using the same exact layout and then show you how different the card looks when you just use a different stamp set and different paper. Now, the cool thing about this card that I'm making is that I actually do not even own the stamp set or the dies or anything to go with it. I just have the paper. And I love that you can make a really cool card just by cutting up the different parts of the paper and layering it up, and then using a sentiment from whatever you have that will work. So this is the Latte Love suite. And I actually am a tea drinker, not a coffee drinker. So I did not buy this stamp set, but I do have the paper. And I stamped the sentiment there from the sentiment set called So Sincere. And then you see that I just hand cut out some of the little coffee cups and layered them on the card front there. And then I put a little accent on the inside and the card was finished. So I will have this on my website with all of the directions. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and it will be on there for you, as well as the one that I made the other day with the Market Goodness stamp set and the paper. Thanks so much for being here. I will talk to you again soon and have a wonderful day.